Promised so much to let us unwind, bring us together and ease our minds. Well, we brought you home, we cleared the table off, we sat around and opened up your box. We scanned your QR code and filled the air with music, not to our taste, but we stuck with it. We took a deep breath in, and I must say, the smell of eucalyptus made me float away. You promised so much, a landscape vast with trees, a soothing view pieced together with ease. On closer inspection, lots of green and white, a fuzzy picture, the quality was shite. Like any optimist, we soldiered on, a growing feeling that something was wrong. A traditional approach, the edges we started, work our way in and try not to get downhearted. 1,000 pieces, blown out picture, monotony set in, we would defeat you. You are our Everest, our shoulders aching, just complete the edges. Oh, the time this is taking. Words. So we made a decision, take it one by one, find the last 2 edges, but something was wrong. We never found them, we checked some more, 2 missing pieces, we even checked the floor. The next day we returned, as is the human habit, but the eucalyptus had attracted the rabbit. The pieces were nibbled and moved around, scattered about all on the ground. Well, we felt relief, it was done. Oh yeah, it's important this. We felt relief, the task was done. Well, we read your box, a new revelation. You can't be recycled, a plastic coating, no depths to your evil, you are revolting. To let us unwind, bring us together and ease our minds. Well, you brought us together, we were frustrated, in anger and hate we are united.